Operation video. Hot tag test. Preparations. HTT-L1 hot tag tester. Test specimens. Sample cutter, ruler. Specimen selection and sampling. Conditioning. Condition the specimens in accordance with the required standards. The specimen shall be placed at 23 plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade and 50 plus or minus 5% relative humidity for no less than 4 hours, unless otherwise specified for testing materials. The specimen shall be free of creases, contamination, of holes, etc. Use sharp knife to cut a rectangular-shaped specimen. The specimen should be 15 mm in width and at least 350 mm in length. The recommended specimen length is 400 mm. Observation. Observe the specimens against light and make sure there are no defects. Otherwise, please remake the specimens. Parameter settings. Switch on the instrument. The LED screen displays good. 10 minutes later, it displays 0000. The instrument is in standby mode. Turn the speed knob to hot tag position when doing the hot tag test. Press Setup K. T1 time interval between specimen loading and heat sealing starting. The unit is second. T2 dwell time. The unit is second. T3 time interval between finish or heat sealing and sample grips moving. The unit is second. LT temperature moving sealing gel from room temperature to 250 degrees centigrade. RT temperature with stationary sealing gel from room temperature to 250 degrees centigrade. P sealing pressure. The unit is par. F0 specimen width. The unit is millimeter. F1 do not need set for hot tag test. F2 specimen number should be changed according to the specimen number of the multiple tests. Warning: F2 cannot be 0, otherwise the test is invalid. F3 do not need set. Set date and time from F4 to F8. When the time is incorrect, it can be calibrated by resetting the system time. F9 do not need set. FB is the load cell range, which should be changed only after replacing the load cell. When all parameter settings are finished, please press back to exit the parameter settings interface. Set the temperature control meter as the same as LT and RT. The actual temperature of the sealing gel is displayed in red. The preset temperature is displayed in green. The 4 keys at the bottom of the operation panel are set up: date shift, date decrease, and date increase. The setting of test temperature can be changed by pressing date increase or date decrease directly. Press date shift to move the decimal and then press date increase or date decrease to change the setting of test temperature. The pressure displayed in pressure gauge should be the same as P. Press Setup until the LED screen displays P. Press Test K. The left cylinder will move. Pull out the pressure knob and turn it in clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction to increase or reduce the sealing pressure. When the pressure adjustment is finished, please push down the pressure knob. Press back K to exit parameter settings interface. Press jog, return, or stop to adjust the space between the left and right sample grips. Double-click HTT-L1 icon in the desktop to enter the welcome screen. Input username admin and password admins. Click Enter to enter the main interface. Click the icon for parameter settings in the toolbar to enter the parameter settings interface. Input the information regarding the test material in parameter setting interface. Click OK to save the settings. Start test. Wait for 10 minutes after the sealing gel reaches the preset temperature, and then the test can be started. Mount the two ends of the specimen in the left and right sample grips. Take the specimen with one hand. Use L-shaped steel blade to send the specimen to sealing jaws with the other hand. In standby status, press test key or step on the pedal switch. The specimen will be clamped automatically. T1 counts down. Remove the L-shaped steel blade quickly. When the haze sealing is finished, the right sample grips will move to the right side. The sealing area will be separated. The instrument stops working. Processing will test results. When the test is finished, the system records the maximum force value automatically. LED displays force and strength values alternately. Test curves are displayed in the software interface. Click the Save icon in the toolbar. Select the saving path. Import the file name. Click Save button to save the test results. Click Open icon in the toolbar. Find the file to open. Select Single Curve. Select the curve to check. Click Multiple Curve. Select Multiple Curves to check. The curves will be displayed in the same interface. Click Report button and select Test Curves to print. Treatment after test. Switch off the instrument. Switch off the air compressor. Turn off the gas supply.